Hey everybody, Mike Serwinski here with Metalogic Design. So I just made a video on how to set up a Google Ads account for local service businesses. And one of the parts we went through was doing the conversion tracking and then setting up Google Tag Manager. So those are two separate videos. But now you have Google Tag Manager set up, you have your conversion set up, but we need to add Google Tag Manager to your website. So I'm going to take you through how to install Google Tag Manager on a WordPress website. So let's get started. So I'm in Google Ads right now, and I have these two conversions set up. One of them is submit lead form, and then one of them is the call extension, so mobile click to call. So that was from my last video. So this one we don't need Google Tag Manager for, but if you want to track how many people submitted a form on your landing page or website from the Google Ads campaign, we need to set it up in Google Tag Manager and then install that tag on your website. So if I go into this conversion, we already have this set up. And then the tag, install your tag. So we went through Google Tag Manager, and here's your conversion ID and your conversion label. So I'm going to bring in Google Tag Manager. Okay, so you see we have a tag here for the conversion linker, which we already talked about, and then the form submission. Okay, so once this is all set up, so once you're an admin, right here, GTM dash, and then the letters and the numbers here, you're gonna need this label, okay? So let's go into a WordPress website. So once you log into your WordPress website, you get to your dashboard, okay? So I'm gonna show you this plugin that we use that works really well. So you go into plugin, add new, and then we're going to do, I'm just going to search for Google Tag Manager. This was the one that we like to use, the GTM for WordPress, so Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Click install, click activate, and there we have it. Okay, so now if you go into settings right here, scroll down, there's your Google Tag Manager. Click on that, and then the Google Tag Manager ID is where you put right here. So remember, it's right here. Copy that, put it in, paste, container code on, and then we'll do off, no tweak, right placement, save. Okay, and now you have that installed on your website. So one of the things that we like to do just to confirm that everything's working, we'll go up to this extension right here, to Tag Assistant, click on it, click Enable. I'm going to refresh the page. And you'll see a smiley face. Google Tag Manager is installed correctly. So now we're tracking. So if I were to go back in here, and now you'll see it says no recent conversions, okay? Which means the tag is active. There hasn't been any conversions because this campaign's paused. So, but now we're all set and ready to rock. So, hope you found that helpful. Stay tuned. If you did like this video, appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be cranking out a ton more really good, useful content. Just remember, we are a marketing agency, and I'm going to be giving you guys exactly what we do as an agency. So we work with real budgets, real customers, real money, real performance. We're just not creating videos that are in theory, like we actually do the work. So hope you guys liked it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.